Welcome to the channel. Today's video is unboxing a mystery box. And here it is. What is it in this one? Before we go into the video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back. Let's get into this video, shall we? I took off the plastic from the mystery box and here it is. It's a shoe box and we have a nice picture of the shoe on the side. So it's a high mountain winter shoe and you can use this on the fall as well. We open it and take a look. And here we have it. And this shoe is in size 45. And why did I order a size 45? Well, I normally have size 44 because this is for winter, so I need to fit an extra sock in these. And this is insulated here, so that will keep your feet warm. And the shoe itself feels pretty sturdy. And it says on the side, water resistant. I paid around $50 for this. In my currency, 528 crowns. And they have a nice little tag on the side, this green one. It says Bionic Finish Eco. Learning from nature, the ecological water repellent impregnation. That sounds nice, doesn't it? And under the shoe, nice pattern. This will give you a good grip on the snow. And I love these shoelaces. These are really nice. This will hold up pretty good. And I want to make a review on these when I have tried these out for a couple of days. So that will be interesting. So today it will be a short video, but if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. And thanks for watching and your support. I appreciate it. And if you like unboxing videos, please let me know. And if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future, let me know. So, take care, guys. Stay safe and God bless. And stay prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.